Hi, what's up everybody, it's your boy Quentin hitting with another video of how you can make money online. So basically today I'm going to be talking about online business that are going to explore from 2021 to 2023. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, most of the business are now getting online, and mostly this is because of the pandemic that has been going on throughout the whole world. So people have found more time spending on the internet, from Zoom meeting, entertainment, and marketing their business, and are now migrating their business from the physical aspect of business to the online industry. So most of the opportunities have been created through this pandemic of people now shifting their business to be now available on the online platform. So before, people used to have shops and businesses in the physical aspect, and now people are trying to market because most of the things, small business are starting to get online, creating Facebook pages, Instagram pages, whereby they can sell their products online and get more traffic from there, and actually create sales from those platforms, rather than people actually going out and look for those places because of the limitation of migration due to the pandemic. So now with people moving from the physical to the online business, that means more employment opportunities have been created on the online industry, that is social media marketing or digital marketing related industry. So the opportunity is, imagine people, or maybe an old person who has an online who has a physical shop, maybe that sells clothes, or maybe or an ice cream shop, but then they do not have the know-how of how to put their business on the online platforms. Hence what they are going to do, they're going to hire someone to create a Facebook page for them to market their businesses, or to advertise their product on their behalf, for you to advertise the product on their behalf. So now the thing is, for you to become a social media marketer or social media manager, you have to create a specific portfolio whereby you're going to help other businesses to get online. So some of the portfolio that are there is creating and managing Facebook pages, that is also creating content and updating them pertaining the business that you are marketing for. Then the second thing is creating a website for these companies, and creating content for those companies and advertising on their behalf, and also creating traffic, so that the more traffic that they get on their website is also going to transfer to the number of clients that they are going to get in the physical aspect of their companies as well. Then the third thing is the SEO management, search engine optimization, whereby wherever someone wants to Google maybe for a place, maybe in a given area or in a given community, and the right maybe shops that provide certain services, there will be their companies will be the one that will be ranked on the first page, and hence creating more market and more sales for those clients or those companies that you're advertising for. Then the other thing that you can do to market for certain companies online, creating and managing adverts, either on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and also creating more content for them. This is another opportunity that you can make money from as an online social media marketer. And the other thing is becoming a photographer or a video editing freelancer, whereby you're going to create content and pictures that are going to be used in marketing certain products or certain companies. That is another platform where you can make some extra money from, since now getting those type of services from the physical aspect will be very compromised due to limitation of traffic within the streets, within towns and suburbs. So the more that they market on the online platform, is going to create some sales for them and more clients for them. Then the other thing is copywriting. The other thing actually that is currently paying mostly in developed countries is cyber attack protection. This is whereby you will be there to protect companies from cyber attacks, since most of the transactions are now being done online. So if they're now being done online, that means it's going to attract more attacks from people that are going to steal information, to use it maybe to scam people and to do so many things. So it is a good field to specialize in. So all these aspects that I've listed are social media management, specific fields that one can choose to pick and to use and perfect their skill to make some extra money in their field. So as I'm talking about this business that are going to explore in these upcoming years, you have to actually consider that, given the fact that almost everyone is now being online, everyone now has account on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, and people are actually finding entertainment and business deals and different ventures on the online industry. So someone once said that if your business is not going to be online, then you're going to go out of business. So if you also have a small business that you are having and you like to create more clients, more customers, you have now to create a Facebook page, an Instagram channel or handle where you're going to market your products and you're going to get more clients from. So our freelances services that you can actually develop your skill is from Upwork and from Fiverr, whereby you're going to actually be doing this type of jobs given this platform where you're going to get more clients from. Until then, cheers and see you next time.